Good Monday morning, guys. Michelle's off to work. She's gone. Now, I did a stupid. I left my alarm switched on from last week, so consequently I got woken up and I ended up getting up at a ridiculous o'clock this morning. Certainly time I didn't need to get up, but never mind. Just gonna have some toast for my breakfast. You can hear the dishwasher probably churning away there, so put all the dishes away and get them cleaned up. And then I'm gonna have I think about what I'm gonna do day. Probably gonna be an easy day. I'll be out tomorrow for most of the day, so we're gonna take it from there. So I'll get my breakfast done and stop wittering. Hi guys, Michelle's on her way home, so I'll start making tea. Now we've got loads of all sorts in the fridge, so it's going to be a concoction. We've got bacon and eggs and sausage, I think, so I think it's going to be a bit of a fry up. Now, Michelle's on her way home from work, 4:15, and we've still got sunlight. And I noticed this morning, because I had to get up at ridiculous o'clock, it was light. So the days are drawing out. Just wish it would get warmer. It's only about 2 or 3 degrees out there now. The cat's just bit me. Just thank you. Anyway, I'll get on with the food. And that, guys, is what a leftover in the fridge fry up looks like. So just gonna put tomato sauce on mine and have fun with it. Hi guys, it's I believe it's Wednesday. It's 10 to 1 on Wednesday afternoon. Now I spent all morning basically studying, studying, continuing on with my history degree for my own pleasure and enrichment. And I've decided to stop and make myself a cup of tea. Now, we've got a problem nowadays that because we buy everything online and it's always delivered to us, we end up with loads and loads and loads of boxes. And it's the bane of my life. And they've just changed our bin system around here so that they're only going to come every 3 weeks. So I'm going to have to spend some time cutting down my boxes that I want to get rid of and get them in the bin so they can pick them up next week. But before then, I'm going to get a cup of tea inside me and relax. Okay guys, it's beef olives for tea. Now I'm just going to take the easy route, put them in a casserole and cook them for, on low for about an hour in some water. Then I'll make up some gravy and mash. So I'll get them ready, get them in the oven and start it when I've got an hour to go. There we go guys, I'm just following the instructions on the packet because these are Malcolm Allen beef olives. All it says is put in a casserole with ½ an inch of water and cook for approximately 60 minutes at 180. So that's going to be our tea tonight. And there you go guys, beef olives, mashed potato, peas and gravy. Put some salt on that now and go and eat it because I'm really hungry.